Chaos jumbles. Approximately 350 years ago, a major disaster struck northeastern California, forever changing the 2.6 square mile or 6.73 square kilometer patch of ground. As a regional moderate earthquake struck, likely registering in as a low magnitude 5 range event, an unexpected effect happened at the recently emplaced cluster of 6 highly viscous lava domes at California's Lassen Peak volcano. All of a sudden, the northwestern portion of one of these large dacity and rhyolite domes termed Dome C began moving, as a landslide commenced. The size of the landslide then started primary landslide snowballing until within 15 seconds a 2,000-foot-long and 2,600-foot-wide patch of rock collapsed, and since this rock quickly lost 1,640 feet or 500 meters in height, it accelerated to very high speeds. As tens of thousands and then hundreds of thousands of trees were bulldozed by a towering and advancing wall of rock, the debris avalanche continued to accelerate, being cushioned by a patch of air which reduced underlying friction almost like what frequently occurs to a pyroclastic flow. In only 30 seconds, this landslide traveled an entire mile, running up the sides of large hills at speeds of 112 miles per hour or 190 kilometers per hour. If you somehow happen to be watching this landslide occur from the edge of Table Mountain, 350 feet above the valley floor, you still wouldn't have been safe. 55 seconds in, the mass of moving rock began running up Table Mountain, destroying everything up to 400 feet or 122 meters above the valley floor. By the time this landslide finally stopped its forward motion, 300,000 trees and 1,747 acres had been covered in a layer of rock which averaged 14 meters or 46 feet thick. In other words, that particular landslide involved a volume of 94.22 million cubic meters of rock. However, since this slide left behind a large bite out of the existing lava dome, an oversteepened portion of the remaining lava dome existed, leading to the generation of 2 additional large-volume landslides. These latter 2 events, likely second and third landslides, occurred within 72 hours of the first slide, with volumes of 49.17 million cubic meters and 19.53 million cubic meters of rock respectively. In a brief amount of time, a large swatch of landscape had been bulldozed over in some areas by more than 100 feet of rock, creating what is today known as the Chaos Jumbles, which is the name given to these landslide deposits.